would you say codependent and fawning, they're interchangeable, or do they exist together, or what? What would you say about that?
I would say yes to everything. I think they exist together. I do think that they're interchangeable. I think that when they're not interchangeable, it probably has to do with context. And so, what am I trying to say? For example, I think that someone who is a survivor of childhood sexual abuse and who has developed a fawning response,
Mm-hmm.
that is very specific to what they went through. Whereas I think that
Yeah.
actually, you know what? I should backtrack because I'm going to say something that I probably won't stand by. I was going to say that I think that codependency is a broader term that can develop through lots of different traumatic experiences
Mm-hmm.
or adverse experiences. But you know what? The same is true for fawning. So no, let me backtrack and say that I think that they can be used interchangeably. I tend to use the word fawning more than I use the word
Codependent.
codependent.
Because I was just gonna say, because my understanding of codependent is it's this unhealthy relationship that people have that is toxic, and that you just kind of depend on each other. Like there's no independence anymore, right? Am I explaining that right?
Well, so it's interesting actually that you say that because you know what? I think that the original definition of codependence has probably changed over time because that's
Probably.
one of those words that I think gets used a lot and maybe sometimes used incorrectly. I'm not saying that you're using it incorrectly,
Right. Yeah. I'm just
but
asking for clarification. Yeah.
the codependency, as I understand it, um, has more to do with an incapacity to tolerate any sort of emotional discomfort or tension in a relationship. So the codependency factor is like, let's say you and I are let's say we're going out for dinner and I tell you that I want to eat Chinese food. But then as we're driving down the road, I notice that you have fallen silent and maybe you're ruminating about something from your work day, but I'm getting anxious because I'm thinking, oh, well, maybe she's upset that I said Chinese.
Oh,
Maybe she wanted Indian food. Oh my God, this is, and so what am I going to do? So
that's
it's
so
this,
me.
so it's this incapacity to just live with the tension of differences and then getting anxious and triggered by someone else's emotional cues. So for all I know, you are mad because you did want to have Indian
Right.
food, not Chinese food. But for all I know, you're completely happy with it and you're just thinking about other things. But the codependent factor is the fact that I am going to be extremely uncomfortable and start fawning to try to get comfortable with you again.